We duly constituted the meeting today, and we started, we've been deliberating since 10 a.m. till now, and we apologize for you if you did not have lunch, because we also didn't have lunch. We have had to go through this for the hours. First, we are happy to announce that the framework agreement has now been finalized and settled, and is now being prepared by a joint secretary. We will execute the same tomorrow morning when we reconvene here at 10. But the good news is that we've finalized it. Once it is signed by the members, we will share it with you, and you will see that it contains a lot of issues that required lengthy deliberations. As members of the press, you will understand, the framework agreement is what defines our the nature of our constitution and our work. So it's just about the most important thing we would have to do. In the context of it, and secondly, we have discussed the question of time. You will remember that we in Azimio had given a time frame of 30 days. Our colleagues in Kenya Kwanza had given a time frame of 90 days. We have agreed to constrain that time to 60 days. But within those 60 days, we have agreed that the more urgent issues that need to be dealt with will have been dealt with within 30 days. And that the rest of the time we will take to deal with the more medium time. But the urgent ones we will deal with within 30 days, commencing immediately. Thirdly, we refined and settled the respective issues. And we had occasion to have them tabled. On the side of Azimio, the issues were tabled on behalf of the team by Senator Ambua, and at an opportune time, I will invite him to come and read to you the issues as presented by the Azimio team. On the side of Kenya Kwanza, the issues were tabled by Senator Dr. Halwale, and again, I will invite him to come and read the respective issues. The fourth and last issue is an issue that perhaps you may be alive to, is that we received a letter from Jubilee protesting the removal of the Honorable Adan Kainan, and indicating that they need that matter addressed, and indeed giving notice that they shall be going to court. We agreed that the question of constitution of the respective teams is not for this team to discuss. That is for the parliamentary group and the respective coalitions. But in any event, we took the position that Jubilee, still being part of Azimio, any issue they have to raise, they would have to raise within the Azimio coalition, not to this bipartisan team. And that in any event, if the choice is made that they would go to court as threatened, then we will deal with that matter when it comes.